Elon Musk just sued Mark Zuckerberg and his new Instagram app Threads. In this video, we cover absolutely everything on what this means, potentially if Elon Musk could win, and most importantly, how you can start leveraging Instagram Threads today to grow your following and monetize it as well. Hello, my name is Josue Pena, and for those that don't know me, I have been using Instagram to grow multiple pages to millions of followers since 2013, and I have been leveraging Instagram for business since 2016. Since then, we have done millions of dollars, and on top of that, have been able to help hundreds and hundreds of people monetize and grow their following as well. Some of them you can see right here, for example, Alex Becker, Ecom Dave, that went from being a bartender to a multi-millionaire, and we literally have helped hundreds and hundreds of people. Some of them have made $45,000 in a single day. Others have made $3,000 in sales with just 270 followers, and a ton more. Now, the reason why I share that with you is so that you know that the information on this channel is legit, comes from experience, and is here to help you grow and make more money with Instagram and the phone that you already have. Because I believe every single person, as long as they have the right vehicle and the right opportunity, they can definitely start making money online just from their phone and the Instagram app they already have. Now, let's just jump into this lawsuit, read it together, and see what this all means. But as we do this, let's just first take a look at what Instagram Threads is. Instagram Threads is the new app by Instagram team that is all about sharing texts and updates and publicly joining conversations. At least that is what they say. And just like on Instagram, you can connect with all the fellow creators, friends, family, all that stuff. The feed on Threads includes threads posted by people you follow and recommended content, just like on Twitter. Now, in order for you to get started, super easy. All you have to do is download the Threads app. It automatically links to your Instagram account, and you go from there. In case you haven't set up your Instagram Threads app yet, click the link in the description below. It's going to take you to a tutorial video where I broke down step by step on how you can start creating your Instagram Thread account and make sure that you set it up for success. Now, the moment that we all have been waiting for in this video, Elon Musk suing Mark Zuckerberg for breaching and blatantly copying Twitter with the new Instagram Threads app. Elon's lawyer, Alex Spiro, sent a letter to Mark Zuckerberg threatening legal action, claiming that Meta hired former Twitter employees to create a clone. That is crazy because it means that literally Mark Zuckerberg poached employees from Elon to create a Twitter clone. I personally have liked a lot Twitter since Elon came on board, and I know a lot of people left Twitter when Elon came on board. So maybe Mark Zuckerberg poached a couple of them. And of course, Mark Zuckerberg, this is not the first time he does it. He literally blatantly copies competitors. He first did it with Snapchat or Instagram stories. He then did it with YouTube and Instagram TV. And then he did it with TikTok and Instagram Reels. But we have to give credit what credit is due. When you have such a big and loyal subscriber base like Instagram has, you can just start launching features and tools and whatever. And more than likely, every single one of those people is going to start using it. Now, let's just continue reading this lawsuit. Zuckerberg was asked whether Facebook has ever threatened to clone product of another company while also trying to acquire a company. And he responded, "Not that I recall, please." So I don't know if you remember when Elon Musk was mobbed for Twitter Blue, and then a few months later with Instagram verification. Now, the lawsuit right here claims, as you see, and this is the most important thing, that Meta has hired dozens of former Twitter employees. Twitter knows that these employees worked previously for Twitter. These employees had and continue to have access to Twitter trade secrets and other highly confidential information, and that these employees owe ongoing obligations to Twitter, and that many of these employees have improperly retained Twitter documents and electronic devices. If this is the case, this could blow up in Mark Zuckerberg's face for the very first time in blatantly copying another platform. Because in this case, he literally just hired employees from Twitter who also had information from Twitter and literally blatantly copied the platform. But I don't know, because the reality is that also Mark Zuckerberg has very deep pockets for very big lawyers, just like Elon has. So this is going to be a very interesting battle. Now, let's just continue. Twitter intends to strictly enforce intellectual property rights and demands that Meta take immediate steps to stop using any Twitter trade secrets or other highly confidential information. And of course, as you see right here, Alex Spiro, Elon Musk's lawyer. So what does this mean for you? In short, right now we're kind of in limbo. We don't know what's actually going to happen. Typically, lawsuits are dragged for months. It could mean that right here, this might take a while to figure out what's going to happen. But in the meantime, I strongly suggest that you leverage and go all in into Instagram Threads, because worst case scenario, it simply goes away, but you develop a skill set to build a following right there that you can then transfer to Twitter. But best case scenario, Elon Musk loses, Zuckerberg wins, Instagram Threads is a reality, and you have already built a following on Instagram Threads that you can then leverage for anything else. At least that's what I'm planning on doing myself, which is going all in on Instagram Threads, leveraging it, creating content, and then also use it to make more sales and monetize it. Now, over the next couple of days, I'm going to be creating a video showing you how I did over $10,000 the very first time I opened Twitter and started posting on it, even though I had a very small following, as you can see right here, less than 3,000 followers. Heck, on Instagram Threads right now, with less than 24 hours of opening, I have more than 3,000 followers right now, as you can see right here. So that video, I'm going to be releasing it over the the next couple days. So make sure if you do not want to miss that, hit that red subscribe button down below and that notification bell so you don't miss when we release it. Now, like I said before, if you want to make sure that you set up your Instagram Threads account correctly, you optimize it, and you set it up for success, click the video right here on the top that shows you step by step on how Instagram Threads work, how to set it up, how to create your account. And then if you want to learn how you can use social media, your phone, and the Instagram app you already have to make $100,000 over the next couple of months, even if you don't have a business right now, or even if you have a very small following, then click the link right here. It's going to take you to a free training video that explains you step by step on how you can start using Instagram to make money with it. So click right there, and I'll see you inside of digitalentrepreneur.ai.